And the People's Choice for favorite TV icon is Betty White. We'll hold them.
Aren't they gorgeous?
You want to hold those?
Oh, my goodness. When Melissa McCarthy came up, the first guest tonight, came up on stage, and she said she'd stay with us as long as you'd let her. Well, you've abused the privilege with me. I cannot possibly say thank you, or can you imagine the People's Choice at 93? I mean, that's ridiculous. Oh, thank you with all